I figured it out so you don't have to. Here is what I found. I am going to show you how to find anyone's Facebook password, meaning that even if the account holder lives all the way in a different country, and you live in another country, you will still be able to get their password. There seems to be a little bit of confusion about that before YouTube strikes down this video in furious anger. Let me be clear. This video is not about how to hack the Facebook network directly. Instead, it's about data recovery. Data recovery techniques have never been needed more than right now. With each passing day, more and more people are signing up for Facebook. And with that popularity, more and more people are losing access to their precious passwords. And while it's obviously illegal to steal someone's password, if the owner of an account asks you to help them get their password back, not only are you doing them a service, it's a really amazing thing to do. So I had a client a little while back who requested me to help her to remotely recover her Facebook password. Normally, what I do is I just go to Facebook directly. However, under these circumstances, it failed, so we had to crank it up a notch. Let me tell you guys a little secret. Your phone saves every password that was ever used on it. What happens when you log out is that the password does not go away. It simply becomes invisible to the average user. However, if you use a specialized tool, you can get that along with any other password that was ever used on that phone. Recovering someone's Facebook password consists of 2 steps. The first is to connect to a database, that is, at some point use that password. My client just so happened to have an old cell phone, so with her permission, I use Termux to connect to and control that device. Once I have control of that device, I use that control to connect to my machine. After it was connected to my machine, I moved on to step 2 with step 2. It is using a specialized tool to parse through that device and get all the passwords you need. The tool I use for this is called 4UK. Once you've connected to your client's device, all you have to do is just press a button and 10 or share will automatically go through all the nooks and crannies of that device and get you all the passwords you need. There's the password. Once I got it back, I gave it back to my client and everything was amazing. Thank you so much for checking out my video. If you haven't already, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for stopping by again, and I will see you next time.